The year is 2025. Technology has transformed how we communicate, learn, and even heal. On the horizon, a new revolution is brewing. Brain-computer interfaces led by Neuralink. Founded by Elon Musk, Neuralink's mission is to merge the human mind with artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where thoughts control machines, and paralysis is surmountable. This technology holds the key to addressing neurological disorders and augmenting human capabilities. But the path to this future is paved with both promise and peril. This is the story of Neuralink 2.0, poised to reshape our world. At the heart of Neuralink's endeavor lies the N1 implant, a groundbreaking piece of technology that promises to revolutionize the way we interact with the digital world. Designed to bridge the gap between the human brain and the digital world, this implant is a marvel of modern science and engineering. This tiny device, no larger than a coin, is packed with advanced technology that can read and interpret neural signals with incredible precision. It houses an array of microscopic threads capable of detecting and transmitting neural signals, each thread thinner than a human hair. These threads, implanted into the brain's cortex with surgical precision, act as microscopic antennae, eavesdropping on our thoughts and intentions. By capturing the electrical impulses generated by neurons, the N1 implant can translate these signals into digital data. The N1 implant communicates wirelessly with an external device, typically worn behind the ear, ensuring a seamless connection between the brain and the digital world. This external unit acts as a bridge, allowing users to control computers, smartphones, and even prosthetic limbs with their thoughts alone. Imagine the possibilities: typing on a virtual keyboard without lifting a finger, or controlling a robotic arm with the same intuitiveness as a natural limb. For individuals suffering from paralysis, the N1 implant offers a beacon of hope, providing them with the ability to interact with the world in ways they never thought possible. The potential applications of Neuralink's technology are as vast as the human mind itself, opening up new frontiers in medicine, communication, and beyond. As we continue to explore the capabilities of this technology, we are only beginning to scratch the surface of what is possible. The N1 implant is not just a piece of technology, it is a symbol of hope and progress, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of innovation. The future of human-machine interaction is here, and it is more exciting and promising than ever before. In 2025, Neuralink began human trials for its groundbreaking N1 implant. These trials, meticulously designed and ethically scrutinized, mark a significant leap forward. The initial phase focuses on individuals with severe paralysis, offering hope for regaining lost function. The selection process is rigorous, involving physical and cognitive assessments. The trials are underway at select medical facilities across the United States and Canada. The primary objective is to evaluate the safety and efficacy of the N1 implant in humans. Researchers are closely monitoring participants for any adverse effects. These trials represent a pivotal step towards realizing the transformative potential of brain-computer interfaces. Among the first to receive the Neuralink N1 implant is Nolan Arbaugh, a former mechanic left quadriplegic by a tragic accident. Nolan's journey is one of resilience and hope, showcasing the incredible advancements in technology that aim to restore independence to those who have lost it. His story is not just about overcoming physical limitations, but also about the human spirit's unyielding desire to reclaim a sense of normalcy and purpose. Nolan's story symbolizes the profound impact this technology could have on those living with paralysis. The Neuralink N1 implant represents a beacon of hope for many, offering a glimpse into a future where physical disabilities can be mitigated through cutting-edge science. For Nolan, this implant is more than just a piece of technology. It is a lifeline that reconnects him with the world in ways he never thought possible. Prior to his accident, Nolan was an avid outdoorsman and skilled craftsman. He spent his days immersed in nature, hiking, fishing, and working with his hands. His life was a tapestry of physical activity and creative expression, which made the sudden shift to a life of immobility all the more devastating. The accident not only took away his ability to move freely, but also stripped him of the activities that defined his identity. The accident left him confined to a wheelchair, dependent on others for even the simplest tasks. Everyday activities that most people take for granted became monumental challenges for Nolan. From getting dressed to eating meals, he required constant assistance, which was a stark contrast to his previously independent lifestyle. This dependency was a daily reminder of the life he had lost, making his journey towards regaining autonomy all the more poignant. Nolan's determination to regain his independence never wavered. Despite the overwhelming odds, he remained steadfast in his belief that he could reclaim some semblance of his former life. His resilience became the driving force behind his recovery, inspiring those around him and proving that the human spirit is capable of extraordinary feats when faced with adversity. In the weeks following the implantation, he was able to control a computer cursor with his mind. This breakthrough was not just a technical achievement but a monumental step towards independence for Nolan. The ability to interact with a computer opened up new avenues for communication, work, and entertainment, providing him with tools to engage with the world in ways that were previously unimaginable. This newfound ability to interact with the digital world has been life-changing for Nolan. It has given him a sense of control and autonomy that he had longed for since his accident. The technology has not only improved his quality of life but has also reignited his passion for learning and exploration, allowing him to pursue interests and hobbies that he thought were lost forever. His story serves as a powerful testament to the transformative potential of brain-computer interfaces. Nolan's journey from despair to hope illustrates the profound impact that technology can have on human lives. It is a reminder that with innovation and determination, we can overcome even the most daunting challenges, paving the way for a future where disabilities are not a barrier but a new beginning. Neuralink is not alone in its pursuit of brain-computer interface technology. This field, once the realm of science fiction, is now a bustling frontier of scientific research and technological innovation. Around the globe, a fierce competition is underway, with research teams, startups, and tech giants all vying for a stake. These entities are driven by the promise of revolutionizing how humans interact with machines, potentially transforming medicine, communication, and even entertainment. In the United States, companies like Paradromics and BlackRock Neurotech are developing their own BCI systems. These companies are at the forefront of creating devices that can seamlessly integrate with the human brain, offering new hope for patients with severe disabilities. Paradromics focuses on high-bandwidth data transmission, aiming to restore speech and motor function. Their technology could enable people who have lost these abilities to communicate and interact with their environment in ways that were previously unimaginable. BlackRock Neurotech is known for its pioneering work in implantable electrodes. These tiny devices can record and stimulate neural activity, offering new avenues for treating neurological disorders and enhancing cognitive functions. Across the Pacific, China has emerged as a formidable player in the BCI arena. Chinese researchers are making significant strides in developing cutting-edge technologies that could rival those of their Western counterparts. Government-backed initiatives such as the China Brain Project are pouring resources into developing next-generation BCIs. These projects are not only advancing scientific knowledge but also positioning China as a leader in the global tech landscape. This global competition is driving innovation at an unprecedented pace. As countries and companies race to achieve breakthroughs, the future of brain-computer interfaces looks incredibly promising, with the potential to change the world in ways we are only beginning to imagine. The development of brain-computer interfaces is a complex endeavor, fraught with both breakthroughs and challenges. One primary challenge is improving the biocompatibility of implanted devices. The human body can trigger an immune response, leading to inflammation and device rejection. Researchers are exploring new materials and coatings to minimize the body's reaction. Another hurdle is developing sophisticated signal processing algorithms. The brain generates immense electrical activity, and deciphering the neural code is no easy feat. Machine learning and artificial intelligence are playing an increasingly important role. Despite these challenges, the future of BCIs is brimming with promise. The development and deployment of brain-computer interfaces raise profound ethical considerations. The ability to interface directly with the human brain opens up a Pandora's box of ethical dilemmas. One pressing concern is the potential for privacy violation. BCIs collect intimate data about our brain activity, thoughts, and emotions. Safeguarding this data from unauthorized access is paramount. Another concern is the potential for coercion or manipulation. Establishing clear ethical guidelines and legal frameworks is crucial. Ensuring that BCIs are affordable and accessible to all is essential. The advent of brain-computer interfaces heralds a future where the line between human and machine blurs. BCIs have the potential to revolutionize healthcare, education, and communication. They could enable paralyzed individuals to walk again, and allow us to control prosthetic limbs with our thoughts. Imagine a world where we can learn new skills instantly, and share our thoughts directly. However, this future is not without risks. The widespread adoption of BCIs could lead to new forms of social division. There are concerns about the impact of BCIs on our sense of self and consciousness. Navigating this future requires careful consideration and a commitment to responsible innovation. The journey towards a future intertwined with brain-computer interfaces is still in its early stages. As we venture further, we must proceed with caution, guided by a deep understanding of the ethical implications. The development of BCIs is a profound reflection of our desire to transcend our limitations. It is a journey that will challenge our assumptions and push the boundaries of our understanding. The future of brain-computer interfaces is not predetermined. It is a future we are actively shaping. Our choices, values, and commitment to responsible innovation will determine the outcome. If you found value in this video, consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss future insights. Join our growing community, hit that subscribe button and stay updated with the latest.